Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to quickly merge cells both vertically and horizontally, and how you can pretty much unmerge the cells as well. So as you can see right now, we're in our Google Sheets. Now what we can do is we can type in here a text, right? And let's say we want to merge G, H, and I. We can merge it like this. So we can hold shift, we can hold left click, actually hold shift and then click left click where you want to merge it like this, right? And then we can just click on merge. We can also go format and we can pretty much go merge cells and merge all, and this will merge all cells, right? Right now what we can do is we can obviously, align the text and everything if we wanted to. But you can also do, so this is basic merging, right? What you can also do is, let's say you have text here, you have text here and text here, right? So you can merge vertically and horizontally, right? So let's say if we want to merge this whole entire thing right here, we'll go to format, we want to merge and merge horizontally because we can do it horizontally, right? We can merge this, and as you can see, merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value, which is this value right here. So we can click OK. As you can see, it's this, right? Then we can merge vertically, horizontally, as I said, right? So let's go to again, format, merge cells, and merge vertically, right? Again, merging cells would only preserve the top leftmost value. We can merge anyway, okay. And again, as you can see, we merge vertically, right? Now, there are a couple of different things. For example, if you want to unmerge, we can go here, format, we can go merge cells and unmerge, right? And you also have one icon, which is icon right here for merging, right? You can merge horizontally, merge all, merge vertically on or unmerge. I think this is much faster if you're doing it like this than just going to format and then going to merge cells and merge all and all that, right? Now we can also merge all cells like this, right? We can just click here or click here and merge all. And right now, as you can see, merging cells would only preserve the top leftmost value, which is this here. We can click OK, and now the entire thing is merged, right? So this is basically how to merge both vertically, how to unmerge, and how to merge horizontally in Google Sheets.